Welcome to Mount Royal University's Fall 2021 Open House. This presentation will provide an overview of the Bachelor of Midwifery program, a 4-year undergraduate degree that will train you to become a registered midwife. My name is Lauren Denny, and I am the coordinator, practicum, and advising for the Bachelor of Midwifery. Today, we'll provide you with a program overview to help you decide if our program is the right fit for you. Mount Royal offers Alberta's only Bachelor of Midwifery degree. The program was developed with support and guidance from provincial midwifery regulators, provincial midwifery associations, and from practicing midwives. Our program provides a solid grounding in what is currently practiced by midwives in Alberta and focuses on research backed theory and clinical experience. Albertan pregnant people and families were top of mind as the program was created. We welcomed our first class of students in 2011 and graduated our first cohort in 2015. Ours is an intimate, close-knit program. We admit 14 students each fall, and our cohorts provide students with the opportunity to get to know their classmates closely. Classes are small, and students learn from and work directly with faculty who are leaders in their field. Our degree prepares you to become a primary care provider to low-risk pregnant people. Graduates are prepared to write the Canadian Midwifery Registration Examination and to become a registered midwife. Upon graduation, you can practice as a midwife in Alberta and across the country. Mount Royal offers comprehensive, research-informed course content. Our courses reflect current trends in the field, as well as the future of midwifery practice in Canada. The program was designed in direct response to the evolving healthcare needs of pregnant people in Alberta and in Canada. The Bachelor of Midwifery integrates midwifery-specific coursework with courses on anatomy and physiology, health assessment, nutrition, professional communication, research literacy, and general education. Students learn from registered midwives, nurses, physicians, lactation consultants, and other experts in their field. The first year and a half provides a solid foundation in theory to support the practical clinical components of the program, which make up the second half of the degree. Our Bachelor of Midwifery offers extensive practical experience both on and off campus. All students spend hours putting theory into practice in the Health Simulation Learning Center. The HSLC is a training center on campus where students have the opportunity to learn and practice their clinical skills in a safe learning environment with simulated situations. The HSLC has their own open house video that I encourage you to watch to learn more about their team and their facilities. In addition to the hands-on experience offered on campus, students have extensive clinical experience under the direct supervision of practicing midwives off campus. Upon graduation, students will start their careers with over 3,100 hours of clinical practice, which starts in the second year of the program. Students complete 5 semesters of clinical placements working directly with registered midwives. Students have the opportunity to learn from rural and urban midwives and from midwives who work on their own, as well as midwives who are part of larger teams. Students will have a solid understanding of the type of midwifery practice that best suits their own styles and preferences upon graduation. They will be experienced supporting clients in clinic, in hospitals, and at home. Students also complete a transcultural placement where they work with pregnant people and families in a setting different from a traditional midwifery practice. They also complete a semester focused on interprofessional placements, where they will have the opportunity to learn on labor and delivery units in hospitals, hospital postpartum units, with neonatal intensive care teams, and with obstetricians. Our students graduate from the program with the training and experience they need to start their career as a registered midwife. There are some considerations to keep in mind when determining if Mount Royal's Bachelor of Midwifery program is right for you. Ours is a 4-year degree program. Regardless of previous training or post-secondary education, the program will remain 4 years in length. That said, transfer credit may offer a lighter course load in the first year and a half. The program is structured in a way where students will complete courses in all 4 semesters: fall, winter, spring, and summer. You will not get each spring and summer off as you would with most undergraduate degrees. Students are placed across the province to complete clinical placements. In Alberta, there are midwifery practices as far north as High Level and as far south as Cardston. We work closely with preceptors in all areas of the province, and you must be prepared to live and study in any location a placement is available. You also must be prepared to move to a different location for each placement. Students are not placed in the same practice twice. This means that you may complete a placement with a midwifery practice in Edmonton, then move to Rocky Mountain House, and then move to Calgary. You must be flexible and willing to relocate. The Bachelor of Midwifery degree is a full-time commitment. Once practicum starts, it is almost impossible to hold a part-time job or other extracurricular commitments, as you will follow the full-time schedule of your midwife preceptor. Please consider if this time commitment is a good fit for you and your family. The program has additional costs on top of tuition and fees. You will be required to complete a number of pre-practice requirements each year. The total cost of these requirements can vary between $100 and $800, depending on your year of study. You must also have access to a vehicle. You are responsible for your moving, housing, and living expenses, which will vary from semester to semester depending on where you are placed. Finally, the province has indicated that future registered midwifery positions will be focused in rural areas of the province. You should be prepared that upon graduation, new positions will be located outside of the province's major urban centers, and this is where you will live and practice as a midwife. If you decide that Mount Royal's Bachelor of Midwifery program is the right fit for you, I hope you will consider applying for admission. The application for admission is open now and will close on February 1st. Submit your application online through the Mount Royal website. You must submit your high school and post-secondary transcripts for review by the admissions teams. They will determine if you meet the minimum and competitive admission requirements. In addition to the academic requirements, applicants to the Bachelor of Midwifery must complete the CASPER exam. CASPER is an online situational judgment exam. It tests for all of the kinds of things that we can't see on a transcript but are vital for successful midwives. These include skills like collaboration, communication, empathy, equity, ethics, motivation, problem solving, professionalism, resilience, and self-awareness. Please speak with the admissions and recruitment team to learn more about the admission process and the specific admission requirements for the midwifery program. We would be thrilled to have you join our program in September 2022 if you decide to move forward with an application. If you are ready to apply and you found that all of your questions have been answered, you can do so by going to mru.ca/future student. If you do have further questions for anything related to the admissions process, please contact the Admissions and Recruitment Office. Their phone number is 403-440-5000, or you can contact them by email at aro@mtroyal.ca. You can also register for a live admission information session at mru.ca/info sessions. If you have any further questions regarding the Bachelor of Midwifery program, please contact our team at midwifery@mtroyal.ca. Thank you very much for learning more about our program today, and I wish you the very best of luck with your future studies.